Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn on the air conditioning in a Honda CR-V, and this will be an easy tutorial. Once again, the topic of this video is me showing you and telling you specifically how to turn on the air conditioning system in a Honda CR-V, just like I have right here, and this will be an easy tutorial. Let's get into this instructional video. So now in most cars, you can turn on the air conditioning just by pressing a button that says AC somewhere on like the climate control button system over here, the climate control set of buttons within the system. On the CR-V, it's a little bit different. In order to turn on the air conditioning, you have to push the climate button. That will bring up your climate options on your screen, and then AC is right here. You can turn it on. So you're going to tap the on option and you will turn your air conditioning on. Now, it's pretty chilly right now for me. That's why I have the heated seats on, and that's why I have the air on, like on the hottest setting. So I'm not going to turn on the air conditioning, but if I wanted to turn it on, I would push the climate button right here, and I could go to AC and click on. Now, I don't know for sure or not if you turn your climate to the lowest setting. So if I was to turn this dial all the way until it goes to low, I do think that the air conditioning might turn on automatically, but I'm talking about if you want to turn it on manually, and I'm not sure if it turns on automatically. So what I would recommend that you do is turn your dial all the way to low. You know what? I'll check it out right now. I'll try right now. So I'll turn this all the way to low. Okay, it's on low, and I'm going to push climate, and I'm going to see if the air conditioning is turned on by itself automatically. Let's push climate, and the AC did not turn on. It's still off. So I guess I stand corrected. I'm going to turn it back up to high because it's quite chilly. Anyways, that's how to turn on the air conditioning. You just push your climate button right over here, and for your AC line over here, you're going to push on to turn on the air conditioning system in a Honda CR-V. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.